The cost of Shibas is set to skyrocket this evening. Amazing Shib news. With new coins and tokens frequently entering the market, like Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium, cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more well-liked and accepted. An anticipated Layer 2 or Level 2 blockchain network for Shiba Inu is called Shibarium. Shiba Inu, a meme currency, will become a whole ecology thanks to it. We'll discuss about Shiba Inu in this video. The cost will soon double this evening. Amazing Shib news. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu has established itself as a notable meme coin and earned a spot among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The team behind Shib has kept the development of its many initiatives moving along steadily. The Shib ecosystem is well renowned for its illustrious milestones and landmark accomplishments. One of the most recent achievements was when Binance announced on April 18 that Shiba Inu would no longer be allowed in the innovation zone. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange has just revealed its decision to relocate Shiba Inu along with other tokens, including Frax Share, Trust Wallet token, and 1 inch out of the innovation zone, according to the specifics of a recent release. In a statement made on April 18, Binance said that the innovation zone was created to provide users with a secure environment in which to exchange cutting-edge ideas. Some of these initiatives may have gained traction over time and come up to the high bar we set for them. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove Shib and several other tokens from the innovation zone after giving it due consideration. After Binance performed assessments based on different parameters, Shib reached this milestone. So, in an effort to stress test the network, someone wrote a script for the creation of millions of wallets. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, continues to rise, raising questions about the reason for the abrupt increase. Recent leaks claim that a script was used to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. In a recent tweet, a team member of ShibPixelPups, a Shiba Inu-based NFT project, stated that they wrote a script that created more than 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and executed more than 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of creating around 1620 tokens for the test network. These tokens include DAO, ShibPixelPups, and ShibPixelPups token SPPX. According to data from PuppyScan, the official block explorer for PuppyNet, the network presently has an astonishing 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Recall that in the last 2 days alone, the number of wallets increased by 86% and reached 5 million. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. The test network's goal is to provide interested parties the chance to run different tests on the network to confirm its reliability and efficacy before it is launched on the main net. All activity, coins, and transactions shown on the testnet are exclusively for testing reasons and are not actual transactions, as Satoshi Kazama, the Shiba Inu leader, has frequently highlighted. It is commendable work to create a script that can create millions of test network wallets, since it can help assess the blockchain's scalability and effectiveness. It may also assist in finding any possible flaws or errors that could emerge along the procedure. For determining the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. The authors of the script indicated that they intended to test the network's capacity to handle heavy traffic events, such as games and airdrops. They also suggested executing an airdrop script and other tests to evaluate the network's capabilities, such as transaction speed and robustness. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The ship burning in March so far have been extremely remarkable. 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were destroyed in 540 transactions in March. Thus, compared to the previous months, both the total number of ships destroyed and the number of transactions both showed a considerable rise. The amount destroyed in March was the most since 2433 transactions, totaling 9.5 billion SHIB, occurred in October 2022. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burnt in 3 transactions yesterday, according to the SHIB burn tracker, with 25.31 million SHIB originating from a single wallet. This greatest transaction was made by the Coinbase 10 wallet, which was linked to Coinbase and sent a staggering 25,313,097 SHIB to the burn address all at once. In comparison to the previous day's 293 million SHIB burn rate, this transaction increased the overall burn rate by 11.08%. The futures market is another source of evidence for the increasing trend. Shiba Inu has seen a rise in open interest OI since the start of March. The indicator represents the quantity of active contracts positions that investors have taken. The number of open futures has surpassed 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million, according to CoinLast statistics. OI was just approximately $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest shows that traders are becoming more interested in SHIB. Early in February, when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.591, the OI was worth $47.3 million. At the time of publication, the Shiba Inu cost $0.83. The SHIB price is now trading in a rising triangle, a continuation pattern, as was described on News BTC. Today's decline to $64 represents a 0 point. SHIB has established a new higher low, therefore the upward trend is still present. By the end of April, it may be clear whether the bulls or bears have won out. Shiba Inu has started to draw investors' attention lately as a result of its recent surge in futures open interest to 2.4 trillion. Tokens $27.51 million on an incline that began a month ago. This upward trend shows a resurgence of demand, raising concerns about a price increase. The entire number of futures contracts that are still open but not settled or closed out by an offsetting deal is referred to as the futures open interest. In essence, it shows how many active contracts are still being held by market players. When open interest for a particular asset rises exponentially, it often means that a lot of fresh money is entering the market and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price changes. Shiba Inu's open interest has climbed by more than 52% from the low of $18.5 million seen on March 13 to the present level of $27.51 million, according to data from CoinLast, a futures trading intelligence platform. 2.4 trillion tokens. SHIB's open interest and its price movement as the asks have a link, as shown by the OI chart. When its OI rises, its price often climbs as well. The number OI rose to 3.2 trillion. $47.3 million in tokens on February 5. SHIB's price increased as a result, reaching its highest value ever that day of $0.527 this season. But after February 5, SHIB's OI began to fall and the asset's price started to fluctuate. The open interest is once again seeing an increase in value after falling to a low on March 13. Investors anticipate that the asset's price will increase accordingly. SHIB is once again in demand, as seen by the amount of financial activity. Shiba Inu's volume on finance has been rising significantly each day over the previous 4 days after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8 from that point. The total volume for today is 2.44 trillion. SHIB is trying to break above an ascending triangle. It is now locked in despite its current underperformance. The asset is now trading for $1 during the prolonged consolidation phase, down $1 in the last 24 hours, but up 0.8% in the previous hour. SHIB might go for the February highs of $0.15 if the triangle were to break above it. Recent trends indicate that the asset has gained popularity with market players, and a rise in demand might help it achieve its objectives. SHIB was one of the top 3 most watched assets globally, according to CoinMarketCap's Q1 2023 report. Recently, the Shiba Inu community has hinted at 2 more noteworthy collaborations, one with famed singer Scott Page, and one with prominent American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, that would see Storms accept Shib on his official shop. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.